Hi, I'm Matthew Ferrara.
And I'm Dan Elzer.
Thanks for signing up and joining the revolution. Here are a few things you can do as you prepare for the event.
First, check out a few of the videos here that will get you thinking about your career, your skills, and the opportunity to grow.
Next, join the Real Estate Revolution Facebook group, which you'll see as a link on this page. Network with other great real estate agents who have already attended the class and start sharing ideas. It's a completely private group, so you can ask and contribute in confidence.
Finally, be sure to take the pre-class survey. This will help you collect your thoughts on your learning objectives, and it will provide us with some insight on the areas that we can focus on during the class.
Once again, thanks for signing up. We promise this will be a great learning experience, both at the live event and with the follow-up videos you'll receive after.
We're glad that you've joined our revolution.